Hi, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and this is...
I am the mom.
It's my mom, Ruth. And we're here to give you a couple of tips on how to vacation with each other. I'm in my 50s and you are in your...
80s.
Yeah. And so from a parent's perspective, what's one or two tips that you can give for people like us to vacation together successfully?
I would say stay positive, be happy, do not criticize, just have a wonderful time. Life is short.
Good. And I think my tip, which I learned from you, is to not plan so much every day. Keep it to just one major activity a day and then take time to enjoy each other for the rest of the time. Yes?
Yes, absolutely.
Hey, listen, you can catch things like this, tips like this, at the Caregiver Smile Summit or by watching more videos on the Dorothy the Organizer YouTube channel. Take care and thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.